Titans, it's Friday, November 13th. I'm Meghna Vedala and you're watching Cen10 News. It is important to honor Army veterans who protect our country. That happened on Veterans Day, which happened on November 11th. Here's Diego for more information.
This November 11th is actually Veterans Day. Veterans Day has been around for 82 years. Since 1938, Veterans Day has served as a way to thank everyone for serving either in peacetime or wartime, dead or alive. Here at Centennial, we actually have our very own veterans. From everyone at Cen10 News, thank you for your service.
Today is the 13th. Here's Austin for a spooky take on a classic tale.
Happy birthday!
Every year, National Merit Scholarships are awarded to students who scored high on the PSAT. Here's the video provided by the FIC department.
The National Merit Program began in 1955, and the mission of this program is to recognize and honor the academically talented students of the United States. For those wondering how you take part in this program, it all begins with October of your junior year. Typically, your school will have you take the PSAT, which is also referred to as the National Merit Scholarship Qualifying Test. Fast forward to a year later, in early September, the semifinalists will be notified and will be sent to 2/3 of the students with the highest scores. They will not be moving on in the competition, but could still be offered special scholarships.
So the way I got into this the National Merit Program is I took the PSAT tests that all juniors and sophomores are supposed to take, and I guess I did pretty decent on it. I don't know. And so now I'm had to apply for a scholarship through it.
Around February, the finalists will be notified through the mail with a certificate of merit after being notified of this achievement. In March, the NMSC will notify the 7,600 winners of the scholarships that they won, and the scholarships that they can win are the National Merit 2500 Scholarship, corporate-sponsored scholarships, or college-sponsored scholarships. To those who have already made it to the semifinals, congratulations, we're cheering you on.
There has been debate on whether cereal is soup or not, so we decided to interview students and gather their responses on this. Here's Ethan for more information.
Is cereal a soup? We sent a survey out to 55 people, of which we got 55 responses, and we're going to evaluate if cereal is a soup and answer this decades-old question. The survey contained 13 sophomores, 10 juniors, 7 seniors, 7 freshmen, 9 teachers, an elderly man who feeds the pigeons outside of school, a college freshman, a librarian, and an alien, along with 2 8th graders. Of these 55 responses, 47.3% of people say that cereal is not a soup, while 32.7% believe that cereal is a soup. The rest of the percentages go to individual answers of people who tried too hard, and one person stating that cereal is a figment of my imagination. If we combine these extra responses with the main responses, we end up with 59.9% of people saying cereal is not a soup, 3.6% believing that cereal is its own class of food, and 32.7% saying that cereal is a soup. Now, after analyzing all the data, we can come to the conclusion that no, cereal is not a soup. A soup by definition is prepared by heating or boiling a broth with food inside it. So unless you boil your soup, yuck, then cereal is not a soup, it is a stew. Thank you for watching. This has been Ethan Reyes for Cen10 News.
How to give thanks? Jackie shows us how to create your very own Thanksgiving turkey card.
In kindergarten, we used to make cards for people that we were thankful for. It was a great experience, and the people receiving the card would feel extremely ecstatic. They're easy to make and you won't need a lot of materials.
For this cute card, I'll be using tape, but you should use glue for a better look, a flower cutout, scissors, paper, pens, colored pencils, and an eraser. I already colored the paper with the pen, so now I'm just cutting it out with the little flower design. And next, I will be drawing out my turkey. And it turns out I don't know how to draw a turkey, so during this I had to look one up. Finally, we have this adorable card that you can give to your family or friend.
These cards are extremely great for family or friends, and if you aren't able to make a turkey, I hope you're able to make at least a card for somebody that you are thankful for. This has been Jackie Lee for Cen10 News.
Be sure to follow us on Twitter and Instagram at Cen10 News. And for more information, check out our website at www.cen10news.com. See you next time, Titans!